So here's a little demonstration for you on the topic that we're doing at the minute. And the topic we're doing at the minute is called functions. Okay? Now, a function does something to a number. Okay? So just a little example here for you. So this is like a function machine. Okay? And then out at the bottom. Here's a little handle. And here's my legs. Okay? So, this is a function machine. And because it's a function machine, we use the letter F to denote a function. Okay? So you'll see f of x quite a bit. So in this case, I put something in here. It's called an input. Put it in, and then when it comes out, it's called an output. So input goes in, output comes out. Now, I'm going to call my function this time f of x equal to 2x plus 3. Okay? So that's my function. Okay. So if I put in here, say x equal to 2. Okay? So I'm going to put in 2. Put in 2 for x. Okay? Therefore, 2, x is going to be 2 in brackets. We always replace the letter with brackets, so you're back to your algebra. Plus 3 is equal to 7. So when I put in the number 2, I got out the number 7. So now this is a combination. So it's a combination. You're combining algebra and in particular substitution and plotting points. So your coordinate geometry of the line. Okay? Same function again. Same function. If I put in x equal to 1, what would I get out? I'd have 2, take out x and put in number 1, plus 3 would be 5. So I get 1 and 5. If x was minus 4, same thing. It's 2 times x, so 2 times minus 4 plus 3, which would be equal to, use your calculator, 2 times minus 4 is minus 8, plus 3 is minus 5. So minus 4 and minus 5. So it doesn't matter what number you put in. If I put in 10 for x, that would be 2 times 10 plus 3, which is equal to 2 tens are 20, plus 3 is 23. So I put in 10 and I get out 23. Okay? So this here is my function, f of x equals, and everywhere I see x, I'm always using brackets. Okay? And then you can use your calculator to work them out. Okay? Right? So there are two important things. One, and number 2 is your calculator. Okay? Now, supposing they say f of x is equal to 4x minus 1. Okay? And then they ask you to find f of 0. Well, what we're going to do here is let x equal to 0. Okay? So that will be 4. Take out x, put in 0. Take away 1. 4 times 0 is 0. Take away 1 is equal to minus 1. So when I put in 0, I got out minus 1. Yeah? If f was equal to 2, I'd let x equal to 2. So 4, and in brackets, x will be 2. Take away 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Take away 1 is equal to 7. Okay? If f was minus 4, this time I'm going to let x equal to minus 4. So 4 times x will be minus 4. Take away 1. Use your calculator. 4 in brackets minus 4. Take away 1 more equals minus 17. So you'd get minus 4 minus 17. You see? Up here you'd get 2, 7. If f of 20, you'd let x equal to 20. So in this case, if I put 20 into the function, so 4, my function is times 20, take away 1, 4 times 20 is 80, take away 1 is 79. So when you put in 20, you get out 79. Okay, so that's an example of a function. That's example number 2. Okay, and finally, example number 3. So this time I'm going to call it g of x, just to change the letter. And this time I'm going to say 4 minus 2x. Okay, so I'm changing it around a little bit. And if they ask you for g of minus 2, well, in this case, you're going to let x equal minus 2. So you get 4 minus 2, and x is going to be minus 2 in brackets, which would be equal to, use your calculator again, be careful with your signs, 4 minus 2, open the bracket, minus 2, close the bracket, equals plus 8. So when you put in minus 2, you get out 8. G of 4. So you're going to let x equal to 4. So 4 minus 2, take out x and put in 4, is equal to, use your calculator again, 4 minus 2 and in brackets plus 4 is equal to minus 4. So 4 and minus 4. Okay? And these points here, we will use then to draw a little graph, but that will be afterwards, okay? If I said g of minus 1, x would be equal to minus 1. So 4 minus 2 in brackets minus 1 is equal to 6. Minus 1, 6. If I said g of 0, you'd let x equal to 0. So 4 minus 2 and in brackets 0 is equal to 4. So put in 0 and you get out 4. Okay, so these are called our inputs. Inputs are what we put in. They're all our inputs. Everything that goes in is an input. And everything that comes out is called outputs. This is our function. Okay, so what we put into the function and what we get out. Okay, that's just explaining these functions for you.